and welcome back. So for today's writing lesson, we're going to continue learning about fictional writing. So today we're going to continue generating ideas to plan our fictional writing. So we're going to watch a video first.
How to write an imaginative narrative for kids. Episode 3, Planning. In the last episode, I brainstormed lots of ideas for my imaginative narrative story. After brainstorming, I chose the character and setting I liked the most. I decided to write a story about a superhero in a big city. Before you write your story, it helps to make a plan. Making a plan is important because it helps you decide on the most important parts of the story before you actually write it. This makes it so much easier to fill in all of the details when you start writing later. Sometimes it's helpful to use a story map to plan. There are many different kinds, so you can choose one that works for you or even make your own. I'm going to use this story map to make a plan. It has space for me to plan the main character, setting, and 3 important events. So first I'll plan my character. It helps to think about not just what your character looks like, but how they act, too. My character is a superhero. She can fly, and she's super strong. She also likes to help others. I think I'll name her Super Megan. Next, I'll plan my setting. I should think about the time and place, but also the mood I'm trying to set. My story will take place in a big city at night. Maybe it will be stormy, too. That would set a suspenseful mood. Now I need to think about the important events in my story. I'll start with just a regular event to get my story going, and then I'll think about a problem my character has and how she might try to solve it. And finally, I'll think about how I want my story to end. So in the beginning of my story, maybe Super Megan is just walking home from a friend's house in a storm. And then a problem. A problem can be big or small as long as it's interesting to the reader and makes sense with the rest of your story. Well, it's nighttime and it's storming. What problem might a superhero have in this situation? Maybe she starts flying to quickly get out of the rain, but she sees a pole get struck by lightning and fall onto a car. Big problem. Finally, I need to decide what will happen in the end, which will include how the problem gets solved. Remember, my character is helpful and she's super strong. So of course she'll help lift the pole off of the car. I'll add more details about the solution and my ending later, but this will help me get started. If you get stuck while planning your story, you can always go back to brainstorming and list many possible problems and solutions you could use, and then pick the one you like the best. Are you ready to start writing your imaginative narrative? Check out the next episode to see how I start writing an introduction.
Okay, so I want you guys to go grab your writer's notebook and a pencil, and I'll see you back for the next video.